All right, moving on to mini section 3. Let me show a quick preview. So I think I'll go womb, womb, A. Now, let me break that down for you. So we ended, this was end of section mini section 2B. 3 goes, bring your arms in here to your chest. Okay, now from here, what you want to do is you want to do a body roll. Let me show it from the side. I want to go, whoa, wait. All right, now you might not be able to do that in this tutorial. Basically, what you want to do is just push out your chest here, and then you want to push out your hip. Actually, let me show it from the side. Chest, hip, and then turn your legs. That's basically it. All right, we're gonna fake it this time. So chest, hip, twist. Okay, chest, hip, twist. Just think about that, and then at some point you'll be able to do this smoothly. Ooh. Chest, hip, twist your legs. Okay, so arms are still here. What you want to do next is just say turn. You can either do the normal turn to the side and then back, or you can do down here, down, back, up to you. Okay? Let me recap. So this was end of section 2B. 3 goes boom, body roll, twist, look, and back. Now for this specific part, I think we should do the counts as well. It'll make sense because the time here is 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 2 counts to do the body roll here. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's try and practice that. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and then we start on 2. Okay, because this is 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try that again, same tempo. Remember 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, if you still don't have it yet, just keep practicing. But if you're ready, then I think we should move on to the next one because it sort of is connected. So from here, the next bit, let me just show you. It goes legs in, arms up, step, step, woo. Okay, let's quickly break that down. So the last bit was look, look. From here, what you want to do is turn your heels in, so toes are pointing to the front, and then you want to let go of your arms upwards. Okay. From here, what you want to do is just say step. You can also point, step, and then release. Okay, it goes footwork. Okay. Let me just rewind here and recap. Look, look. We did heel, arms up, step, step, Okay. Try and practice with me. The counts are pretty simple. So let me just go through that as well. So we did 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, footwork, Let's try and practice. So after look, look, I'm gonna count 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, you know what? Let's just go 5, 6, and then 7, 8. Okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Footwork. Let's try one more time. 5, 6, and then we go 7. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Footwork. Okay, I think we should combine the last 2 mini sections because they're sort of connected. So from here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, footwork, Let's try and practice that bit, okay? So from here, I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and then we start on 2 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Footwork. Ah. Let's try that again. From here. 5. Remember to skip 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Footwork. Ah. Alright guys, time to do the full dance from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, quick recap I'm gonna do with the counts. It's gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Footwork. Ah. Okay, time to practice, guys. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Footwork. Ah. Okay, slightly faster now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Footwork. Ah. Okay guys, one last time to the normal tempo. Goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Footwork. Ah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much and until next time.